Welcome back, nail queens. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Carol Annette. I do nail videos and I refer to my subscribers as nail queens because you are already a queen, and if you do your own nails, then you are a nail queen. Anyways, I'm excited because I just reached 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Whoa, thank you guys so much for that. That is blowing my mind. So I'm going to do a giveaway. Actually, I'm doing 10 giveaways over the course of 10 different videos, and the first giveaway is featuring Dipalicious nails, which I'm wearing in this video. So it's really easy to enter. If you want to be entered to win $50, a $50 gift card to dipaliciousnails.com, all you have to do is follow the prompt here on the screen and you'll be entered to win. The giveaway will be running for 48 hours only because I'm going to be doing giveaways. There's going to be 10 total giveaways over 10 videos. I don't want to run the giveaways for too long and make it hard to track. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. It means a lot. Anyways, time to get into the video. So this color right here is made up by Dipalicious Nails, which is the main feature of this video. It is a UV changer, so it goes from like a translucent color that has beautiful glitter in it to a pinky purple, more of like a berry color. It's absolutely stunning, and I drew inspiration for this mani from two photos that I found on Pinterest, as always, and I wanted to like mash them up together and put them into one mani. And if you are new here, then I have been doing a Zodiac series where every single month I do a different sign of the Zodiac. And this month's is Cancer, so I'm doing a Cancer themed mani. So all of my Cancers out there, shout out in the comments and let me know if you are a Cancer. If this video is you and your sign, let me know, represent down in the comments. I am also wearing the Dipalicious Builder Gel on my nails right now, so that's what you're seeing, a tinted pink on my nails. It is her Rose Pink Builder Gel, and I've got to say, I mean, I don't have it here in the video to show you guys, but the Dipalicious Builder Gel bottles feature a wider bottle opening, which to me is a big deal. I've been having a really hard time loving builder gels that come in a bottle because I have a hard time getting the builder gel out of the bottle without messing up the neck or getting a whole crap ton of builder gel on my brush. So I really appreciate that the bottle openings are a little bit wider on her bottles, and the formula is incredible. I also want to point out that if you're someone who has trouble with getting dip powder on your skin, getting a cuticle cleanup tool like the one that I just used to go around my cuticles is totally essential to changing your nail game. When I first started cleaning up my cuticle area, it used to be with an orange wood stick, and then I upgraded myself to a toothpick because it was thinner, and then a water marble tool, which is essentially what this is, but a lot of us dippers in the dip powder community use it for, as we would call it, a precision tool. It's to get precise, clean cuticles. So I absolutely recommend picking up one of those if you are in the market for a tool to clean up your cuticles. See, just like that. I just basically run it around the perimeter of the cuticle area and it gets all excess dip powder that should not be there off. And you absolutely want to do this like before the dip powder hardens and fully dries, because once it's hardened and dry, then you got to go in with a hand file or a nail drill, and it can be painful and dangerous for your cuticles. So I'm all dipped, kind of. I'm going to clear encapsulate off camera, but before I do that, I'm sticking my hand in my nail lamp so you can see the color change into this gorgeous berry color. I think it's absolutely stunning. I love this color. It's like you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting like that translucent, whatever color you use as your base, and then this. It's so pretty. Anyways, I clear capped, activated, filed, shaped, and buff off camera. Now I'm getting into the nail art. I have these stamping plates from Maniology. It was in their December 2020 subscription box, and it's literally Zodiac themed. And when I saw those plates, I was like, yes, I need to do a Zodiac series. I need to do one. I absolutely have to do one. And it was like those plates that started everything. Anyways, so I'm taking a white stamping polish and I'm basically picking up the girl that is representing Cancer. She has like little crab claw hands that I think are super duper cute. And I just really liked this vibe, and it kind of plays off of my inspiration photo just a little bit. And then what I'm going to do after I stamp it is re-stamp just the claw crab hands. This is really hard. I'm just going to stamp the horns. I'm just going to call them horns, guys. It makes it easier. Stamp those in red. So I'm going to make those exclusively red because, come on, like Cancer is basically a crab. And I wanted to let you know while I'm doing that, I just went on the Maniology website and all active subscribers have access to previous releases. Only the ones that haven't sold out, of course. So currently I'm looking at their website right now, signed into my active subscriber account, and the December 2020 Manny and Me MXM045 and 046 plates are currently available. I don't know if they're going to sell out anytime soon, but this plate I have in my hands is available to all active subscribers. You just have to be signed into your Maniology account and look under the subscription box tab to shop previous releases, and then you'll be able to buy this incredible plate. I mean, obviously, if you only want to use like one sign, then I can totally recommend other places that sell plates that are dedicated just to your sign. You're probably like, why do I want all 12 signs? Well, if you're doing a series like me, then of course you want all 12 signs. Anyways, I just added some gold stars around the girl, and I'm basically just going to stamp my way through. Right now, I really want to put a little crab. See, I didn't call it clab. I want to put a crab on my nails in white. I'm doing white first to give it a little depth. It really helps the second color I put over it really pop. So I'm going to go over in gold glitter. So I'm pretty happy with what I've done with the stamping, and now I want to add some bling. I have these gems from Dipalicious, and I'm going to use the smallest size in this case, and also the precision tool that I was telling you about for your cuticles earlier. It's double-ended. On one end, it's a wax tool that is perfect for picking up gems. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my jewelry gel from iGel Beauty. This basically helps all of your gems like this adhere to your nails. So I'm going to take a dotting tool and put dots of this gel all over my nails wherever the heck I want to place the gems, and then use my wax tool and place the gems right over the gel, and then finish fully curing that. Okay, so I am pretty much done. I'm just going to top coat all of this. I love how this looks, especially when it's going through its color change. I think my favorite color is the medium color, so the in-between the lightest and the darkest. So just about right now. Anyways, I'm taking my gel top coat and top coating all of my nails. The incredible thing about gel top coats, or at least most of them, is if you don't brush really too much, then your stamping will be perfectly fine. It won't budge, it won't smudge, and it's perfectly encapsulated. So I'm excited. I love this mani. I love how it turned out. I hope you did too. And then I hope that I did all of the Cancers out there justice with this Cancer themed mani. And if you're not a Cancer, guess what? I've done 6 other zodiac signs now, and I've got a couple more to go until December, which will be my final one. I believe it's Sagittarius. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you loved it, and thank you guys again so much for getting me to 10K subscribers. It is like a dream come true. Anyways, here's my mani in its middle state outside in daylight. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye!